cafe-style coffee at home in seconds. The Keurig K-Supreme Plus delivers richer flavor with customizable strength and temperature. One-touch brewing for your perfect cup, fast, fresh every time. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Keurig K-Supreme Plus coffee maker, water reservoir with lid, water filter, and user manual. Product overview. How to pair. Place the brewer on your countertop, then scan the QR code on the back to download the Keurig app. Plug in the machine, turn it on, and select your preferred language. Open the app, tap Get Connected, create your account, then press the right arrow on the brewer and approve the connection in the app. Next, select your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and wait for the brewer to connect. Once confirmed on both the app and the machine, your BrewID is set up and ready to use. How to use? Start by removing all packaging and washing the water reservoir with soap and water. Prepare the water filter by soaking, rinsing, and installing it into the handle, then place it into the reservoir. Fill the tank with fresh water and secure it back on the machine. Plug in the brewer, turn it on, and select your language when prompted. Run a cleansing brew without a K-cup to flush the system. Once complete, your machine is ready for regular use, including brewing coffee and setting up smart features like BrewID and app connectivity. How to clean. To descale the machine, start by emptying the water tank and removing the water filter. Add the descaling solution to the reservoir and mix it with an equal amount of fresh water. Enter descale mode from the settings or by using the button prompts, then place a jug under the brewer and ensure no K-cup is inserted. Run the descaling cycles as instructed, discarding the liquid after each cycle until the process is complete. Next, rinse the reservoir, refill it with fresh water, and run several rinse cycles. Once descale complete appears on the screen, finish the process and replace the water filter cartridge if necessary. Smart features? Automatically recognizes compatible K-cup pods and identifies the specific coffee blend being used. It then recommends optimized brew settings to help deliver the best possible flavor and aroma. Connects the brewer to your home Wi-Fi network, enabling smart features and automatic software updates. It also allows seamless integration with the Keurig app for enhanced control and customization. Connect the brewer to the Keurig app to customize brew settings, save preferences, and manage your coffee experience. The app also provides maintenance reminders and personalized coffee recommendations. Save your preferred brew settings, including strength, temperature, and cup size, for quick access. This lets you enjoy your perfect cup with just a few taps every time. Receive timely notifications for descaling, water filter changes, and other routine maintenance tasks. These alerts help keep your brewer running efficiently and your coffee tasting its best. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Keurig K-Supreme Plus coffee maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Keurig K-Supreme Plus coffee maker. See you at the next one.